How to transfer apps from iPhone to iPhone. Hello guys, I'm Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer apps from one iPhone to another. So let's get started. First, the easiest method is using your AirDrop. Now, to do that first, just go to your control panel, tap on your connectivity section, and make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth and your AirDrop. After you do that, all you need to do is select the app that you want to transfer. Now, let's say I want to transfer Duolingo. I'll just have to long press on it, and after that, you will see the share app option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see different ways you can share this app. I'm gonna select AirDrop. So after you select AirDrop, you will see that the AirDrop section will pop up, and you will need to make sure that the AirDrop on another device is turned on as well. So after you do that, you will see that person pop up right here. Just select that, accept the transfer from another phone, and just do the transfer. And it's that simple from AirDrop. Now, this only works for few apps that does not require data syncing. So not all apps might, you know, do this. The other method you can use is you use a sharing app. There are a lot of different softwares that allow you to transfer apps from your iPhone to another, such as iCare of Dinner Share. And yeah, you can use this method to just share your apps. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.